If you have a Google account, and if you don't, it won't take you 2 seconds to get one, you can change your Google account into a Google Plus account, and to your Google Plus account, you can add a business page. What this will enable you to do is to further expand and increase your presence out on the internet for people to find you. So effectively, it's just another medium for pushing yourself outwards and upwards in the e-world. So the assumption we make at this stage is that you have a Google account. If you don't, you can get one in seconds just by simply going to Google itself and signing up for an account. You would then need to change that account into a Google Plus account. And you do that by going up to the top left-hand side here where it says Plus. Once you have a Google Plus account, what you'll find up here on the top left, mine now says Plus Tan because that's my registered first name. And I can go in through Plus Tan to access the settings that I'm interested in. Now you'll find it's very similar layout here to Facebook and Twitter type interface, but what we're interested in is coming down to more and pages. I currently don't have a page, but I can create a new page for my business. So I have to give the page a category. So is it a local business or a place, product or brand, company, institution, arts, entertainment, or other? Very similar categories to Facebook pages, you will notice. So I'm interested in pushing my company, so I choose company. I need to give the page a name. So that's in this case the name of the company. The website, which is optional, but we'll put the address by taking that from the URL and paste. Then I need to place my business in a category. And it's a retail outlet, so there we have retail and consumer merchandise. And your page will be publicly visible. Its content is appropriate for any Google Plus user, or are we limiting by age? No, we're not, because it's a fashion outlet and everybody's interested in fashion. Keep me informed of future pages, releases and other relevant information, of course, and necessarily I agree to the page's terms, which are viewable and legible through this link here. So create. Here is a tagline, very important. Effectively, these are your keywords that are likely to bring your site up when people are searching. So we are fashion, York, design, outlet, offers, ladies, men's, shoes, clothes, all the kind of words that people are likely to be looking for. I can then set a profile pic for my page, which I can do either uploading from the photos I already have in my Google Plus account, which currently is none, photos of me, or even use a web camera. Well, let's upload a photo. There's our image. And we can crop and resize to suit. And set as profile pic. Continue. Now I need to effectively promote the page by telling other people. So I can put some information here and put share on Google Plus, and that will put a post on my Google Plus homepage. But we'll skip that step and finish. Now you're up and running. The steps really involved are adding posts to your page, very similar to posting on Facebook. So we click post on your page, and you would use this for sharing perhaps special offers or sales or information about your company, your outlet, or your products. So if we were to want to push our rewards section, we would take a copy there, type some text in here. Don't forget, our rewards are all year round, not just at Christmas. And we'll paste the URL in and then share. And that places a post on our page. We can then view our page by going up to the top right here. You can see it says York Designer Outlet. Come down, we can either go to view page or we can go to page settings. So let's view our page as it stands at the moment. And that's what people will see when we send them the link to the page. Now the only people that can actually add us to their circle of interest are people who have Google Plus accounts. But the number of people that are upgrading to Google Plus is increasing daily, and it's worth getting yourself on there with a page that you can just post offers through, information through, links back to your website. That's really the most important bit. Every post you make should really have some link back to your own website so that there is the traffic stream that can take place. Even if that traffic stream is not actually a human, but a search engine trawler, because that link will then get picked up and added to their search engine result, and that will help improve your ranking when people are searching anyway. So this is a Google Plus business page. Prerequisite is that you have a Google account and that you then upgrade that to a Google Plus account. Both of those steps are free, no financial cost. And then you can start to add Google pages, a page per product, a page per company, entirely down to yourself. You can then add posts to that page, add information, photos, and even videos to all help push and promote your product or your company.